In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram private on laptop PC. Open up Instagram. Go down and push on More. Then select Settings, push on that. With your mouse, hover over this column that says Settings. Scroll down until you find this option, Account Privacy, push on that. This is where we want to be, where it says, Account Privacy, Private Account. Simply press on this toggle tab to make Instagram account private. And select Switch to Private. Now your account is private. I will open up my account. Let's do one check to see if my account is private. I will open up my account in incognito mode. Our account is private, and only your followers and people you allow to view your account can see. And that's how you do it, guys. How to make Instagram private on laptop PC.